Hey, this is Fred Lam, and listen, today I have an amazing video training for you to share with you a brand new method that you can start using for your Shopify dropshipping business that will completely change the game. Now, in fact, we all have heard of a strategy called free plus shipping. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly a brand new free plus shipping method that is geared for you to start generating more sales and more profit for your Shopify business. Now, like I said, if you love any of my YouTube video, make sure you click the subscribe button right below and click on that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. And for those of you that are wanting to comment about my hair, yes, I need a haircut, and that's going to be happening pretty soon. But that being said, you guys are here because you want video tutorials from me and to learn how you can either build a business online, to make money, and to actually learn more about digital advertising. And this is what my channel is all about. So that being said, let's really dive right into what you're about to learn today. So we're going to talk about a new giveaway strategy to making money with Shopify dropshipping. So here's what you're going to learn inside this video. First of all, I'm going to show you how the new giveaway strategy can help you profit online and potentially build a six-figure income store. I'm also going to reveal to you the 3 steps to creating your giveaway store to profit online. And I'm even going to share with you the top 5 niches that you can start using this giveaway strategy, and this is built for total beginners. Now, first of all, how does this really work? Well, for those of you that are new to Shopify dropshipping or new to e-commerce, I want to actually draw this out for you and to show you how this giveaway strategy actually works. So I'm going to open up my scribble pad and I'm going to draw this out for you. So it's actually pretty simple. Now, first of all, the first thing that you need to do is simply have a Shopify store. So here in the middle, we will have a Shopify store. Now, if you want a complete step-by-step on how to build your very own Shopify store, right down in the video description, there's a free course that I give to every single person that really wants to learn how to build a business with Shopify. Grab that course right now. So with that, let's say that we have that taken care of. So you simply build a Shopify store. Now, this is going to be a little bit different than dropshipping. In terms of dropshipping, we go find products to actually start uploading into the store. In this case, we don't go find products. We already kind of know what product we want to do, and all we have to do is simply upload some amazing jewelry, maybe a necklace, and simply have the design on the necklace uploaded right into your store first. So you simply have a piece of nice necklace right here that you are actually giving away for free. All right, it is absolutely free, and your customer simply just need to pay a small shipping and handling fee. So now your job is simply go on Facebook, go on social media, and find people that are willing to actually grab this for free. And they simply, again, just pay the shipping and handling. Once they actually give you their money, all you have to do is simply connect yourself to a manufacturer or supplier that I'm going to review to you later in this video on who we use to actually create, pack, and ship the product directly to your customer. So all this is automated and done for you. All you're essentially doing is simply have a design on a piece of jewelry, upload it to your store, and start getting people to simply get that giveaway product that you're offering, and the rest is obviously taken care of for you. Now, you might be wondering, well, what is the thing that we can give away? Well, I kind of lightly talked about that, and I kind of lightly let it out already. You're simply giving away jewelries online. That's all you're doing. You're simply giving away jewelry. Now, the strategy, we're not giving away these jewelry that are available on AliExpress. The strategy is to create custom design made in USA jewelry. This is a big advantage for all you guys that are dropshipping with Shopify because first, it's made in USA, so you're getting fast delivery and shipping time. And it's only you can sell. No one can sell it, no one can copy it because you yourself own that piece of design. And the custom design to actually give away to specific customers. You can be giving away to dog lovers or cat lovers or even turtle lovers. And you simply custom design the jewelry to actually give away to those people. And in return, you're gonna get a lot of happy customers because again, they're getting high quality product, fast shipping, fast delivery, and that will lead to, again, happy customers that will want to continue to come back and buy more from you. And the best part is that it costs way less than buying directly from China. Because with this method, it only costs you $5.99 plus free shipping, and all that is taken care of, right? The creation of the product, packing it, and shipping is only $6. But you might wonder, well, Fred, how do I really profit from giving away free jewelry? I only have basically a small margin right in between, right? Where is my profit? Well, first, you charge the customer shipping so that it actually covers at least your cost. And obviously, this is known as the free plus shipping. And like I said earlier, this is an enhanced free plus shipping strategy. So first of all, you either charge your customer $9.99 or $12.95 to simply just pay for the shipping for a product. And if you do the math, $9.99 collected, $5.99 is your cost, so you're basically making $4 profit from a giveaway. But let's be honest, you have expenses that you gotta pay, right? You got your Shopify fee, you got basically maybe apps that you gotta pay, and your domain, and ads. So how do I really profit? Well, the answer is that you don't. You actually profit from upgrades. So again, free plus shipping, that strategy is really used for you to break even and get customers. Because again, it is used to get free customers and pay for the advertising. Where you really profit is simply upgrades of your order. So for example, when it comes to jewelry, guess what? You can actually offer custom engraving, or you can upgrade to a higher quality material like gold plate, right? People love gold plated jewelry, and you're giving these option to your customers. So they're coming in, wanting that product for free, and say, hey, I can engrave my wife's name on it, or I can engrave my dog's name on it, and for an extra X amount of dollar, obviously I will do it, right? Personalization is massive in our market. And you're like, well, I like gold versus silver. And again, you can simply upgrade that as well and give that as an option. And each time your customer upgrades their order, guess what? That's more profit right into your pocket. And you can continue to sell other matching jewelry in your store. So let's really do a quick math over here, okay? Let's say that you're giving away just free jewelry, that's all you're doing, and we're making $4 profit for every jewelry that we give away. Now, when you offer customization with simply having people to do custom engraving, the cost will basically be $10.99. That's gonna be your cost, from $6 to almost $11. But here's the best part. You get to charge a premium because it is a service. So you can actually charge $12.95 plus $4.95 shipping, then your profit will go from $4 to $6.91. Next, you convince them to upgrade to the gold plated. So when you offer the gold plated and customization, you can sell it for $30 plus $5 shipping. And it only costs you $15.99 for a gold plated, customized jewelry, and custom engraving. So now you're gonna be making $18.91 profit for everyone that you give away. So again, your potential profit is $18.91. That means that if you give away just 500 jewelries per month, that is already $9,000 right in your pocket. And right in front of you is a 6-figure business. By simply starting out by giving away free jewelry can be turned into a potential 6-figure business. But you might be wondering, well, Fred, how do I get started, right? Simple. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell and you will learn exactly how that can be done. So do it right now, okay? Click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. But obviously, I won't leave you hanging. I'm going to share with you the 3-step formula to build a profitable giveaway jewelry online business. So step number 1 is simply research design. First of all, you got to know who you are selling to create irresistible giveaways. You don't want to randomly just create something out of the air. You definitely want to do your research to learn more about your audience. So that said, the first thing that you wanted to do is to simply find a niche that's over 1 million in audience size using the Facebook Audience Insights. It is a free tool that everyone can actually use, and all you got to do is simply go Google Facebook Audience Insights and start putting in different niche ideas that you have that you wanted to see if you can actually get over 1 million in audience size. Next, simply leverage already existing designs that are trending online right now. So go to Pinterest, look at what people are pinning and posting. Go to Amazon, see what people are buying, and put in t-shirt or dog t-shirt or whatever niche you're going after and put in the word t-shirt, you will actually see a lot of designs that's available to you. And here's the key takeaway. Use Unicorn Smasher. And it's a free tool to share with you exactly what the sales volumes are within Amazon. So obviously, if it's selling well, you know that design is definitely going to take off. Next, you can use Gear Bubble. Go to Gear Bubble, and it is a marketplace for designers to simply sell their design on simply t-shirts, mugs, or sweaters, etc., etc., etc. And they even show you how many pieces are sold. So simply do your research on there. But let me remind you, do not copy people's design. You're only using it to really mimic and to simply learn about your niche and what people are buying. Now, once you got your research design in place, step number 2 is to outsource and automate. All you need to do is simply create a job posting on Upworks.com. It is 100% free. And in fact, you are going to get loads of cheap designers that are going to give you high quality design. And the best part, it's going to cost you around $20 to $25 per design. And guess what? It is going to be yours forever. So simply go to Upworks.com and say that you're looking for a print-on-demand designer, and bam, you're going to get a whole list of them. Once you got your design made, you want to turn it into what we call an SVG file. Then you simply upload it to your Shopify store and automate with our recommended supplier, Shine On Jewelry. That's what you want to use. Once you got all that in place, then you do step number 3. Well, step number 3 is to run simple Facebook ad. Now, again, in my YouTube channel, there are tutorials on how you can actually run your Facebook ad. But when you're running this kind of giveaway, I want to give you some quick tips right off the bat. First of all, remember, always use product-specific conversion objective. Number 2, use flex targeting to start. Now, anywhere on this video, there's going to be like an eye icon. You can click on it, and you will actually see other videos that will really help you learn all these. If you need specifics on how to create a product-specific conversion objective and what is flex targeting, do that, okay? Watch those videos next. But that being said, again, with flex targeting, you're going to get the most targeted customers. Number 3, here's a big tip for every single one of you. First of all, run mobile newsfeed at first. Get the data, and if the data is looking good, then you scale it to all placement. And last but not least, all you have to do is simply run a simple ad template. And here's an ad, right? Surprise your wife with this free necklace and show her how much you love her. Only $150 available. Just pay shipping, grab this free necklace for your wife, limited time quantities, right? Something simple, you're just giving it away. You don't even need to create a salesy ad. You're creating a non-salesy ad that you're just simply giving away the product. And again, listen, if you can see the massive potential on creating a Shopify business by giving away jewelry and you want the more step-by-step and hand-holding on exactly what to do, listen, I have a huge discount to one of our course called Profit Jewels. You will find all the details right down below in the video description. And this discount is only available for a very limited time. And we also have a free training that you can actually go through that goes even more in detail about this 3-step formula. Now, again, before we go, I promise you, the top 5 niches to start for beginners, especially those that wanted to create their very own giveaway jewelry store. So, niche number 1 is the relationship niche. That's what exactly I've chose, right? The relationship niche. You're giving it for your wife. You're basically selling it to a guy for either their girlfriend or their wife. They would love to do it, right? Which guy won't want to actually use only a small investment of just shipping and handling and surprise their girlfriend or wife with a necklace? Pretty easy stuff, right? And again, these niches are not in chronological order. They're not in any order, shape, or form, okay? Niche number 2, a specific job niche. So you can create a series just for nurses. You can create a series just for firefighters, etc., etc. Niche number 3, a specific pet niche. It can be dog, cats, turtles, dolphin, you name it. Niche number 4, the sports niche, right? Football, soccer, hockey, all that are really amazing niche that people love. Look at how many people buy NBA jerseys and NHL jerseys or football jerseys, right? Again, those are really just print on demand. They're just putting a logo right on it and people just buy. And they buy because they feel proud and they want to be parts of the community. Niche number 5 is selling to the moms and dad niche. People love to actually buy things for their mom, for their dad, grandma, grandpa, etc., etc. You can say like, I'm the best grandpa ever, or whatever. And guess what? People will buy it. People will buy it because, again, when you're selling these jewelry, you gotta basically sell it as a gift, right? You're wanting that person to buy it as a gift for someone else. That is the key when it comes to giveaway jewelry. And again, biggest takeaway of all, a niche that people feels proud of. It's very important. If you can actually zero in a niche that people feels proud of or want to be part of, then you will definitely be easily build a 5, 6, or even 7-figure business using this very same strategy. All right, and again, I hope that this 3-step formula really opened up your eyes. Again, this is the new way for free plus shipping. You want to basically upsell them. And that's where the real profit comes in place. And this specific strategy is brand new, and I would encourage you to rewatch this video and implement along and to really take this seriously. Because if anything is brand new, guess what? You're gonna be ahead of the competition. And again, if you're brand new to all these, right in the video description, there are courses, free access, or discounted copy of my training that you can actually start using to build your very own Shopify business.